Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today we're going to be reviewing one of JetsetModels' brand new terminals here for Darren Aircraft. Now I don't have any Darren aircraft, but I will be using a few Gemini Jets aircraft for display purposes. Now you can really let your imagination go and use, whichever you do wish to use with this terminal. Just disclaimer, this is not to the 1:400 scale. These are for the Darren aircrafts. But anyways, guys, shout out to JetsetModels for sending me this to review here, guys. Super cool. Now let's go ahead and take a look and get this open. We also have our jet bridges here. As you guys can see, they simply just go right on. Look how easy that is. Now I think this terminal is super cool for the aspect that it's simple. Especially if you have younger kids that want an easy and really realistic terminal. Just to set up. It's really durable, as you guys can see. Now, I've had a lot of 3D printed products myself, and I'll say that this thing is really durable, like I had mentioned. Jetset also has little people you can put in here. I'll put a few in here so you guys can see. And now we'll go ahead and put the top back on. And actually, let me go ahead and finish this other side here. Look at that. Now let's go ahead and add some airplanes and some people. You can also see the blue tint in the windows when I angle it here. That's super cool. As you can see, I did put a wide body here at the gates here. But yeah, definitely more like 1:200 scale, or with the Darren airplanes for sure. And showing you guys it from this angle here. Like I said, I really like the seating in the windows. With this, there's definitely a lot of potential where you could even show a larger terminal, or make a larger terminal out of this. Especially if you buy you could also buy a few of these and put them together if you really wanted a larger terminal too. Lots of detail here. Security scanners. Highly recommend getting this, guys. Like I said, if you have younger pilots, aspiring aviators, or people that are into aviation, or anybody that loves airplanes, or you have a lot of the Darren airplanes that you buy at the airport, so I highly recommend this terminal for anyone. Like I said, you can still put the 1:400 scale on this too. It's just not that scale. So just be aware of that. But other than that, guys, it's super cool. Highly detailed. It's really simple too. Goes together literally in literally took me a minute to put this together. So, Christmas, birthdays, holidays, definitely this is the one, guys. Link in bio, guys. Shout out to JetsetModels. We'll see you guys in the next video. Happy flying.